I'm elated to see an array of successful and illustrious sons and daughters, the pearl of our clan, being enrolled in Bukong Clan Hall of Fame for standing out in the crowd and showing the indomitable spirit of Bukong in your different life journeys. You have made names for yourselves, your parents, your families, your villages, Bukong Clan, Eniong, Abatim, and indeed, for kingdom as a whole. Some of you may have been awarded chieftaincy titles by your families. However, this one is different. It comes from the clan, your own clan, which your families are microcosm, or the building block. In prestige and height, you should consider yourself blessed to be among the first batch of Bukong Clan indigents to be recognized for this honor. Never take this honor for granted. There is more that lies beyond Bukong honor and chieftaincy awards. You have been recognized for who you are. And as I said, this honor requires more from you. You should now serve, if you were not, as worthy agents to unite and promote everything about Bukong people. You should serve as a good ambassador of peace and one who at all times will stand tall to defend the Bukong cause and drive its development. All our villages need infrastructure, and our human capital needs more attention than ever in our recorded history. This cannot come up handy if our distinguished sons and daughters are not recognized and appealed to serve as eminent ambassadors of our clan. This is the essence of our acting today. Translated to mean that the masquerade must first begin displaying its artistry from the house. We need nothing less from you than a vow to live and die for what Bukong stands for. Bukong has no intention to annihilate any other people or clan, but would also not allow anyone to annihilate it. Once again, I urge all our awardees who have earned chieftaincy titles today to cherish the awards and take it to their hearts. Honor given from outside cannot be compared to the honor bestowed on you from your roots. Such honor comes with blessings and breakthroughs that shall remain evergreen in the lives of the recipients.
The righteous rule, the people rejoice. Our king is ruling and we are happy today. This is the first of its kind, and you'll agree with me that we have hardly had an occasion like this to come together and see ourselves and celebrate ourselves. Your Highness, I want to say on behalf of everyone seated here that you are a pace setter. You have shown us the way to go. When you came on the throne, we were very optimistic that we're going to have a different kind of leadership, and you are really executing that. I want to say here too, on behalf of the awardees, that you have proved that all the titles, all the recognitions given to you, you merited them. Because it is the way you carry on with your people that really shows who you are. And you have done one thing that many people do not really understand. One thing you've been able to do is to bring us out of our shells. I agree with you that maybe some of us have been doing some things for our people, probably not committedly, but from what you have done today, you have committed us to showing value to our people. I know that our awardees will agree with me that this is a call to a higher responsibility. And I want to say on behalf of everyone here today that we are committed to adding more value to our people in Bukong clan.
Your Royal Highness, on behalf of the male awardees, let me thank you for what you have done today. Let me thank you and the committee that worked to select all awardees for this chieftaincy title. Let me also assure you, sir, that our commitment to our clan is total. That we will do everything in our power to ensure that we advance the cause of our clan and the cause of our people. Thank you for seeking always to bring us together, both in our individual and group capacities, and for always thinking about our clan. And for those who may have taken nothing home from his message, let us think more about our clan than our individual families, and the sky will be our limit. I feel honored and appreciated by my community. May his reign be long. May he be in good health for a very long time. May he continue to be the beacon and the leader that he has been. May he continue to lead our people for a very long time in good health. And may the blessings of God be upon him.